Let's learn how to download WhatsApp as app on your PC. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Opera GX. Now, you need to type in WhatsApp PC download. Wait for it to load and choose the first option. Clicking on that will lead you to new web page, where in the top right corner you can choose option download. That will open a new menu where you can choose where your WhatsApp installer will be downloaded. Wait for it to download. It should take up few seconds at worst. After downloading it, open it, and it should not look like this because I have got it already on my PC. But in your case, you should proceed to choose option and to set up your profile. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.